Hi guys. Today I'll be showing you guys a little bit about uh, basic math. So today, so basically we have addition, which is simple. So you add two numbers. So let's say 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's pretty simple. So let's say you have two circles, 2 here, and then you add two circles here, which gives you 4 circles. Okay, let's change color. Let's change to red. Okay, so we have these 4. So we have another symbol that's called division, which is like this. So what you do, division is basically divide. You could divide it by 2, right? So if you divide this into 2, you have 2 circles on both sides. So it gives you basically 2 groups of 2. 2 groups of 2, so you have 2 times a constant times, let's change color, the number of these. 2 times this. So basically, it's a multiple of 2. So that's division and multiplication for you. So then next, we have subtraction. So let's say we had 4. Let's say we had 4 circles. And we want to take away 2. So what we do is we take away the 2. What would we have left? Well, we have left 2. We have left 2 circles. So that's subtraction. That is subtraction for you. We subtract 2. And how much do we have left? We have left 2. Which equals to 2. So let's erase all of this. So the equal sign. The equal sign is really important because so let's make a balance. So let's say we have 1 here and 1 here. Let's say the balance so that we want the balance to stay straight. So the equal sign is basically um, both sides need to be the same. So basically it needs to be 0. So um, let's say um, let's say you have 1 here and you have unknown here. Well, this unknown needs to be the same. The unknown here needs to be the same as 1. So both sides need to be equal to 1. Both sides. Let's say we added plus 2. What would x need to be? Well, x would need to be, so here's 1 and here's 2. You'd have to subtract 1 to get 1 equal, because you want 1 to equal to 1. So what would you have to do to the 2? You would have to do 2 minus 1 equals 1 to get 1, which would make it equal, which would in the end make it equal to 1 equals 1. And there you'd have your balance. You'd have your balance here. So another thing that's important are bigger than and smaller than signs. So basically how I learned it, let's say you have a crocodile. Okay, it's not a really nice crocodile, but you have a crocodile and he takes it. So the crocodile is going to eat. Which one is he going to eat? So you have a piranha, or you have a piranha, or you have a hippopotamus. Which one is bigger? The crocodile is going to eat the one that's bigger. And so if you look at so basically the bigger, basically the crocodile eats the bigger one. So the greater than would be this one. This is the hippopotamus is smaller, is bigger, than. So the crocodile is smaller than the hippopotamus, basically. So he's someone who's bigger. So let's say you have 2 circles. You have 1 circle here, 2 circles. So this would be smaller than. small than. Another way you could see it is through a balance. So let's say you have a balance here. Okay, this is not a good balance, but let me redo it. So basically the balance would be like this. So basically, the heavier something is, the lighter something, the higher something is. So the bigger something is, the bigger it is. So basically you could see as this um as this balance here, and this is obviously um more elevated than this one. So you could see it that way, since this is weighs less than these two. So therefore this one would be weighing less. Also, there's also the bigger than. So you could have, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks, and you could have or ice cubes, and then 2 ice cubes. So this one would weigh more. So if you make a balance here, these ice cubes would weigh more than these ice cubes because there's more. So that's basically greater or smaller than and equal sign for you.